Dear student, how are you? Today we are going to start our second chapter for NEET and JEE. First chapter is completed. તો અમુક પોઈન્ટ છે એમાં બાકી છે જે રેડોક્સ રિએક્શન ચેપ્ટર ચાલશે પછી જ એ પોઈન્ટ ક્લિયર થશે. એમાં બે કે ત્રણ ચેપ્ટરનું કોમ્બિનેશન હોય છે. થોડા પોઈન્ટ ચેપ્ટર 1 ના બાકી છે એ આપણે પછી જોશું. Today we are going to start our chapter atomic structure. So atom has the sub-particles proton, neutron and electron. So one of them is the proton, which is symbolized like a P plus, otherwise H plus. In hydrogen atom there is one proton and one electron. After removal of one electron, it is now H plus. So only proton. In a isotopes proton neutron oil, but in the hydrogen protium there is only one proton. So proton sometimes symbolized in chemistry as a H plus ion, means only one proton. Proton was discovered by Goldstein in the year of 1886. Charge on a proton, एक proton परनो charge, remember plus 1 point, yes, proton having positive charge, so proton has plus charge 1.602 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb. But this one is in MKS system. In charge of proton, yes, C means coulomb in MKS. Coulomb is the unit of MKS system. Now ESU is the unit of CGS, centimeter, gram in second. Here meter, kilogram in second method. 4.803 into 10 raised to minus 10 ESU means electrostatic unit. Electrostatic means a stable charge. Fixed charge on one proton is ESU, electrostatic unit. Mass of a proton, एक proton mass is derived 1.673 10 raised to minus 24 gram. When we divide this value by 1000, so it gives in a kilogram. Here 10 raised to 3, 1000 means in upward it will be minus, so 1.673 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Mass of 1 mole proton. For getting mass of 1 mole proton, which is actually 1.007 AMU. AMU means gram per mole. 1.007 is 1 mole proton. So 1.673 10 raised to minus 24 gram equal to 1 proton. So 6.0, how much? The 1 proton equal to 1.673 10 raised to minus 24 gram. So 6.022 10 raised to 23 proton means 1 mole proton equal to how much? So when we multiply by 1 proton na mass ne, when we multiply by Avogadro number, so it gives here 1.007 gram. Actually multiplication of both gives 10 raised to 4 minus 1. So this value comes 10.07. So 1.007 is our answer. AMU, gram per mole. We are taking mass of sodium 20 AMU. So it means not mass of one atom. This is mass of 1 mole atom. 23 gram AMU means gram per mole. 1 mole sodium atom mass 23 grams. Yes, it means that specific charge of a proton means charge upon mass. અહીંયા E ભલે લખ્યું, ઇલેક્ટ્રોન નથી. અહીંયા E is symbolized for charge. ઇલેક્ટ્રોન નહીં. 1.602 10 raised to minus 19. So in coulomb and divide by gram. So answer comes in coulomb per gram. 1.602 divided by 1.673 gives 0.9578 into a minus 24 of plus 24 માંથી 19 cut 10 raised to 5. When we move one decimal point on right hand side, so 9.57, 8 is more than 5, 9.58, 10 raised to 4. This is E upon M value for one proton, specific charge. Now volume of one proton is 1.5 into 10 raised to minus 38, very tiny particle, very less volume it has. Now second subatomic particle of atom is electron. Electron was discovered by J.J. Thomson in the year of 1897. Charge of an electron, एक electron पर no charge. Electron is the negatively charged, proton is positive. So here is minus sign is taken. 1.602 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb in MKS. But in calculation we need sometimes to take in CGS to ESU compulsory. Both value we have to remember. In CGS which is coulomb is the unit of MKS system, minus 4.803 10 raised to minus 10 ESU in CGS. Mass of an electron, एक electron નો mass કેટલું? So which is 9.109. Charge of electron is derived by Millikan's oil drop experiment, and on the basis of it some practical done, and mass of electron discovered 9.109 10 raised to minus 28 gram. When we convert into kilograms, so we have to divide by 1000. So it gives 10 raised to minus 31 kg. Sometime value given as a 9.11, round off. A 9 is more than 5. So 9.11. The J value આપેલી હોય તે %. Specific charge of electron means charge upon mass. Charge of one electron upon mass of one electron. So 1.602 into 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb is charge of one electron, and mass of one electron when we divide it gives the value of E upon M. So 1.602 divided by 9.106 it gives 0.1758. Then 10 raised to minus 20 moves up, so plus minus 19 cut it gives the 9, and one digit when we move on right hand side, so 1.758 10 raised to 8. Here 8 is more than 5, so round off value અહીંયા 8 થઈ જાય 1.76 10 raised to 8 coulomb per gram. That is our answer. Now mass of one mole electron. Yes. We have to multiply by Avogadro number. So 6.022 10 raised to 23. The mass of one electron is multiplied by Avogadro number. So 54.55 multiplication of both 10 raised to minus 28, 23. So minus 5. When we move 0.2 digit on left hand side, so 2 will be added. So here is minus 3 gram. So 0.4555, 10 raised to minus 3 means milligram. Round of value 0.55 milligram. 1 mole electron having mass 0.55 milligram. Now charge of 1 mole electron, which is the 1 electron નો જે ચાર્જ છે 1.602 10 raised to minus 19 coulomb multiplied by Avogadro number. So these two value gives 9.6487. From 10 raised to 23 plus 19 cut, so remaining for 4 digit point moves here. So this will be cut 10 raised to 4 minus 4, 10 raised to 0. So 10 raised to 0 means 1. So निकली जाए. So 96487. For convenience in calculation, we are taking round of value 96500, which is 1 Faraday. Yes, 1 F means 1 Faraday. Charge of 1 mole electron is called 1 Faraday. આ બધું necessary આપણા સિલેબસમાં ઉપયોગી છે. Now radius of electron, this is extra, this one also extra. These are compulsory, these two are extra. Radius of electron 42.8 10 raised to minus 15 meter. Nowadays it is possible by using some modern instruments, radius is discovered 42.8 10 raised to minus 15. 10 raised to minus 15 means F for me, Fm. 10 raised to minus 15 means Fm. Density of electron 2.17 10 raised to minus 17 gram per centimeter cube. So electron is very tiny particle. Now third subatomic particle is neutron. Neutron was discovered by Chadwick in the year of 1932. By Chadwick in 1932 from bombarding on beryllium metal of alpha particle. What is alpha particle? Bunch of 2 proton and 2 neutron. This is alpha particle. Otherwise, helium nucleus. Helium has 2 proton, 2 neutron and 2 electron. When 2 electron is removed from there, so nucleus of helium is bunch of 2 proton, 2 neutron. So this is also symbolized alpha particle, He++, otherwise He2+, alpha particle. So this is not chemical reaction, this is nuclear reaction. So beryllium atom combines with the alpha particle. So 2 nucleus are combining and new atom forms 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 0, the 6 carbon और बन गयो 9 plus 4, the nucleus वच्चे reaction था 13, so 12 plus 1. On the bombarding of beryllium metal of alpha particle, neutron was produced. So on the basis Chadwick has discovered James Chadwick in 1932. So first particle discovered was proton, then electron, then after neutron. Charge of neutron is 0, which is neutral by charge. Mass of a neutron, neutron mass 1.675 10 raised to minus 24 gram. When we divide by 1000, it gives 1.675 10 raised to minus 27 kilogram. Specific charge means E. I kiddu E એટલે electron nahi. Here E means charge of particle. Charge of particle 0, mass 0 upon mass means 0. So E upon M value for neutron is 0. Neutron is slightly heavier than proton. Yes, this is mass of neutron. Mass of proton is 1.673 10 raised to minus 24. Here 673, here 675. Slightly heavier, only 0.18%. The one proton karta one neutron 0.18% is heavier. Mass of 1 mole neutron. So when we multiply value of one proton with the Avogadro number 6.022 10 raised to 23. So it gives 10.008665 10 raised to minus 1. So 1.0086665 occurs in AMU, means gram per mole. We are round off this value. So 1.0087 AMU is mass of 1 mole neutron. AMU means gram per mole. It is a mass of 1 mole neutron. Yes. Now we are going to establish some relation about mass. Mass of one proton upon mass of electron when we take. So mass of one proton 1.673 10 raised to minus 24 gram. Mass of electron 9.109 10 raised to minus 28 gram. Both should be in gram, other both should be in kilogram. So this value is 0.1836. Here 10 raised to minus 24. Minus 28 moves up. So it will be plus 24 cut from here. So 10 raised to 4. So when we multiply by 10,000. Otherwise we are moving on right hand side 4 digit. So here minus 4 cut. So 10 raised to 0 means 1. 11 features. So mass of proton is equal to 1836 times more mass of electron. Electron karta proton 1836 times more heavy છે. Otherwise mass of electron એટલે આ વેલ્યુ આવી જશે. So 1 upon 1836 એટલે પ્રોટોનના માસના 1 by 1836 જેટલી વેલ્યુ માસ ઓફ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન. ઇલેક્ટ્રોનનો માસ પ્રોટોન કરતા આટલા ભાગનું ઓછું હશે. Now mass of neutron upon mass of electron 1.675 into 10 raised to minus 24. Here 3, here 5. Only one change. Neutron is slightly heavier. Divide by 9.109. 0.1838 gives 10 raised to minus 28 on up gives plus. So when we move 4 digit here, so 4 cut. So 10 raised to 0 means 1. So 1838. So mass of neutron is 1836 times more than mass of electron. Otherwise mass of electron is 1 upon 1838 times less. Now relation of mass of hydrogen atom, one hydrogen atom and one electron. Mass of one hydrogen atom in gram 1.6736 into 10 raised to minus 24 gram, and divide by mass of electron which is also in gram this division 0.1837 minus 24 cut from here 10 raised to 4. When we move 4 digit on right hand side, so 4 raised to will be minus, so 10 raised to 0 means 1, 1 થઈ જાય 1837. So mass of hydrogen is 1837 times more than mass of electron. So mass of electron is less, 1837 times less than hydrogen atom. Understood? Now the atom of an electron is moving with a velocity v is given m. ઇલેક્ટ્રોન જ્યારે સ્ટેબલ હોય, સ્થિર હોય, so which is called rest mass. We know 9.109 10 raised to minus 31 kg in gram, 9.1 10 raised to minus 28 gram. This is rest mass. Electron is not in motion. Electron is stable in rest condition. Mass is 9.109 10 raised to minus 31. Here small m, m rest is an electron જ્યારે moving નથી, stable છે ત્યારનું mass છે. But electron is when moving, so mass is changeable. Yes, mass is changeable, but only for electron. This formula equation only applicable for electron. Here V means the velocity of electron. C means the velocity of light. Suppose velocity is 0, so mass will be, this is moving mass. Whenever electron is moving, motion માં છે ત્યારેનું mass m raised ઉપરથી મળશે, so m raised એટલે stable mass upon velocity is 0 upon c raised to square. So 0 upon c means 0, m raised upon 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 means 1, and root of 1 is 1. So here you can see m equal to m raised. Electron જ્યારે stable છે, moving નથી, ત્યારે એનું mass m raised જેટલું જશે. But suppose velocity is like light, electron ની velocity suppose light જેટલી છે, velocity of electron is supposed to light equal to light. So here c, so c upon c is 1, square of 1 means 1, 1 minus 1 0, root under root of 0 0. So કોઈ પણ value ની upon 0 હોય, so infinite થઈ જાય. So mass will be, જ્યારે electron ની speed light ની speed જેટલી થઈ જાય તો એનું mass છે infinite થઈ જાય છે. Yes, this is formula. Now we are going to discuss some another point, last point of the day, atomic number. Yes, what is atomic number? Atomic number is symbolized as a capital J. Number of protons in atom or number of electrons in a neutral atom. Why neutral? Neutral means no any charge on it, which is called neutral. Yes, hydrogen, so it is no charge, so neutral. But He plus This one positive charge तो नहीं, Li plus 1 नहीं, Cl minus 1 तो આ ન્યુટ્રલ એટમ નથી, આ પોઝિટિવ આયન છે, નેગેટિવ આયન છે, એટલે ન્યુટ્રલ એટમ હોય ત્યારે નંબર ઓફ ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ અને નંબર ઓફ પ્રોટોન સેમ હોય. So we can see in hydrogen, you can see there is only one proton and one electron. You can see why it is neutral. Atomic number 1, so proton is one proton, and neutral oil the electron also 1. In isotope there is a neutron, neutron nothing. In the case of sodium there is 11 proton. So atomic number 11 means proton are 11, and in sodium 2, 8 and 1 electron, so total 11. Why? Sodium is neutral, so there is 11 electron. Understood? So whenever our given atom is neutral by charge, so proton electron will be same. So number of proton gives n, which is symbolized as Z. On left hand side we are taking atomic number. In calcium atomic number 20 means 20 proton and no charge, so 20 electron, like this. In fluorine atomic number 9, so there is 9 proton, there is no charge, so there will be 9 electron. Now atomic mass, which is symbolized as capital A. Atomic mass is equal to number of proton and neutrons, which is called nucleons. Inside the nucleus particle is called the nucleons, and proton equal to Z. So A equal to Z plus N. This is formula. In the hydrogen there is one proton, one electron, which is called protium, hydrogen. So atomic number 1 by 1 proton, there is no neutron, so neutron 0, so 1 plus 0 means 1. This is atomic mass. In case of sodium, 11 proton and 12 neutron. So atomic number is 11, but 11 plus 12, atomic mass is 23. Atomic mass comes as a rest in atomic number in downward on left hand side. Yes, downward on left hand side. Atomic mass comes as a rest here of the atom. How to define number of neutrons? So neutron equal to A minus Z. From atomic number, when we subtract from atomic mass, when we subtract atomic number, gives number of neutron. Suppose the species is given like this: sodium 1123. Find out number of neutron. This is atomic mass. This one atomic number. So 23 minus 11 gives 12 neutron. Atomic mass માંથી atomic number subtract થાય, so which gives atomic number of neutrons. Like this in fluorine, 9 and 19. So 19 minus 9 gives 10. So in fluorine, 9 proton, 10 neutron and 9 electrons. જેટલા proton એટલા જ electron હોય. Understood? But sometimes species is not given neutral. Given species is chargeable, has charge, positive or negative. On this case, how to count? Suppose Na plus is given. In sodium 1120 plus. Find out proton, neutron, electron. Here atomic number is 11. So proton will be 11. Atomic number એટલે proton હોય, which is fixed. Then number of neutron A minus Z. Atomic mass is 23. I atomic mass, atomic number 23 minus 11, so 12 neutron. What about electron? In a neutral species, in neutral atom, proton equal to electron. Here 11 proton, so 11. जो सोडियम હોય તો, but in Na plus ion, in the positive ion, number of electrons should be less than number of protons. Why? Remove થઈ જાય. And subtract charge from total protons. એટલે જો positive charge હોય, in the positive number of electrons will be less than number of protons, and subtract charge from total proton. એટલે ચાર્જ હોય ને એ પ્રોટોન માંથી સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ કરવાનું, તો અહીંયા 1 સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ થાય એટલે 11 પ્રોટોન 11 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ છે, 1 લેસ એટલે 10 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન. Why? 281 માંથી 1 છે રિમૂવ થઈ જાય. +2 ચાર્જ, સપોઝ કેલ્શિયમ છે, કેલ્શિયમ is given 20, 40 and +2. So atomic number 20 means 20 proton. Number of neutron 40 minus 20, so 20 neutron. But electron, જેટલા પ્રોટોન હોય એટલા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન પેલા લખી નાખવાના. કેટલા પ્રોટોન્સ છે? 20, so 20 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ લખવાના. પછી પોઝિટિવ ચાર્જ હોય ને એટલા સબસ્ટ્રેક્ટ થઈ જાય. +1 એટલે 1 રિમૂવ, +2 એટલે 2 રિમૂવડ છે, so 18 electrons. If aluminium +3 is given, so atomic number is 13, so 13 proton. Number of neutron 27 minus 13, 14 neutron. પણ જેટલા પ્રોટોન હોય ને પહેલા એટલા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ લખી નાખવાના, 30 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ. અને ચાર્જ ઇઝ +3 એટલે 3 રિમૂવ થઈ જાય એટલે 10 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન્સ. 13 માંથી 3 જાય એટલે જેટલા પ્રોટોન એટલા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન હોય ને, પછી જેટલો ચાર્જ હોય ને, જેમ કે 13 પ્રોટોન છે તો 13 ઇલેક્ટ્રોન ન્યુટ્રલ હોય ક્યારે હોય, અને +1 હોય તો 1 લેસ, 2 હોય તો 2 લેસ, 3 હોય તો 3 લેસ. The number of electron 13 type. In case of negative species, suppose fluorine 919 minus 1 is given. Here atomic number is 9, so 9 proton. Number of neutron A minus Z, so 19 minus 9, it will be 10. I -1 છે gain કરેલું છે. In the negative ion, number of electrons should be more than number of protons, and add charge to total proton. એટલે total proton હોય એમાં એક ચાર્જ એડ કરવાનો. Here 9 proton means 9 electron. minus 1 means 1 add 5. The electrons are 10. Suppose oxygen minus 2 is given. So oxygen 8, 16 minus 2. Atomic number 8. So proton are 8. Neutron A minus Z. 16 minus 8, 8 neutron. હવે માઇનસ 2 છે એટલે બે એડ થશે એટલે જેટલા પ્રોટોન એટલા ઇલેક્ટ્રોન લખી નાખવાના. -1 હોય તો 1 8 થાય, -2 હોય તો 2 8 થાય. So here is 10 like this. Now this is method to count proton, neutron and electrons. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture.